Today we're going to be covering how to log into the back end of your website. So let's just say the Insight Studios here was your website. All you are going to do is go up to your top search bar right here, and at the end of the URL, which is just the name of your website right here, you're just going to put /WP and admin. And when you click enter, it's going to bring you to the back of your WordPress website. You're now going to enter whatever your username is. So in this case, I'm going to enter in my username and my password. And if it's just one website you're going to be using, just click remember me. It'll make things a lot simpler. Then you're just going to click login. Alright, and now you are on the back end of your website. If you guys have any further questions, feel free to contact us at the form below. Thanks.